Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. And in this quick video I'm going to be showing you how you can simply send crypto from your Coinbase mobile account to your Binance Mobile App. Once you've opened your Coinbase mobile app, you simply scroll down and click on send. And the crypto of choice for today's video is going to be the Litecoin. So we're going to be sending Litecoin. So we simply click on send Litecoin, minimize, head back to Binance, click on deposits, and we're depositing LTC, that's Litecoin, on the Litecoin network. Yes. Please note that confidential deposits via MWEB function is not supported and will result in loss of deposits. Okay, I guess we're not using that system or that function. So what we're going to do is simply copy our Litecoin wallet address. We simply minimize and head back to Coinbase, where we paste the address we just copied, and you simply click on continue, and from here you're taken to the Litecoin menu, where you can decide how much Litecoin you want to send. So it's going to be an estimated time of 30 minutes. You're sending a total of $1. So if you click send now, you should be receiving such Litecoin on your Binance mobile app. So let's simply send. So you click on send. Your send would be completed on March 27th at 11:44 p.m. Please check your email for more details. So if your ID isn't verified, you wouldn't get the opportunity to send it immediately. The coin would actually be delayed purposefully because your ID hasn't been verified. So comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can send crypto from your Coinbase to your Binance mobile app, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.